Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing press on nails using these full cover coffin nails. I already have them sized out, so I'll be working on this one or maybe another one as well depending on how things go. But I'm going to go in with this old primer, and maybe I should zoom that in, and I'm going to go on with this primer on this nail just so we have that sticky layer on the nail and that we have the gel applying really well on it. And on top of that, I don't feel like putting base gel, so I'm going to be using this color gel, the purple color that I hardly use, so I'm guessing it's still full, which it is, and needs a little bit of mixing. As you can see, it had separated just a little bit, but so my bad habit of mixing colors with a brush, don't think you should be doing that. I'm going to apply this dark purple over this nail, and I think I'm going to go on with 2 coats of that. I am planning on doing Galaxy press on nails, which means I will be whipping out my 2 cat eye nail polishes that I have, because I only have 2, and those are also part of the very first few polishes that I got in the beginning. I just don't tend to gravitate towards them, don't gravitate to using them a lot, so I thought why not use them, because I need nails right now and I have a lot of videos and I want to edit. I just thought let me just do press on nails instead. I have 1 set of press on nails that I already have ready, but I thought let me do a second one of the same shape. Okay, so while that other nail cures, I have here a nail that already has 2 coats of that purple, and I'm going to use this Julie Angel cat eye gel number 12. This is a goldish one, very cute, still full, but like I said, it's one of the first few things that I got in the beginning of my nail journey. So I'm just going to apply on the whole nail, and I want to try a few things. This cat eye. So one thing I did notice is that with cat eyes, when you fiddle a lot with them, they tend to disappear. But I also realized that you can actually bring them back. It's just that they won't be as vibrant as when you put the polish on your nail, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go on with my magnet. I noticed that this part actually pulls the magnets to you, but I'm not sure about this part because I've seen people use this part. So I just want to see what that part does. Ooh, it kind of looks like this part strengthens the... Ooh, I actually like that. So this one, this part, the top part, pulls the cat eye to... Oof, I don't know if I want to keep that. This is so nice. And then this part, I noticed, just pushes the cat eye away, right? So I was thinking, how about okay, let's bring them back. Ooh, I think this side part is the strong part that actually can bring the... Oops, I touched that. I want to do a Frenchie. I'm not sure if I can do that properly. I know other people use scissors, but I don't have like strong magnets for that. Ooh, that looks nice. It looks like it could be a Frenchie if I do say so myself. But I also heard that, let's see if I can bring these together in here, or maybe I should just reapply that. I also heard that if you use the magnet from your, well, not heard, but I saw on Pinterest that if you use the magnet on your, like these magnets on your stands, they also work, but I don't know if these ones would work the same way I'm expecting them to. So let me just grab another one here and let's see if I just do that, what would happen. Oh, okay, that is exactly what I was expecting. Okay, so maybe I should do 2 of those on this nail actually, or maybe should I do that on the other nail? Okay, then what do I do here? This is so interesting. I think maybe I should do that on these 2 nails, because this one already has cat eye. As you can see, I already did that. I was just trying out right there. It's not too vibrant, but I did try something there, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna cure that before anything happens to this. Okay, now I think I should actually work on this nail that I tried to work on, and I'm gonna use this YP, I guess, cat eye gel. So with this nail, what I had originally tried to do, and I think like this cat eye gel is not as strong as the other one, but it is purple, and maybe that's why, because I'm using it on purple. But what I had done is I used this part to just move there, and also this part. I think it's better with 2 coats, because then now you can kind of see what I was going for. Like I wanted to push these away like that and have like a swirl. I think it looks better like that with 2 coats, because with the first layer I just thought I couldn't see that, and I kind of feel like maybe it would have looked better in a different background, but I'm gonna cure that because I feel like that is good enough. All right, and then working with the same cat eye gel, I think I want to do the first design that I showed on camera using the the press-on stands and see how that one looks with this, because I think I am liking that design if I can just do it well. So I want to repeat this basically, but I'm not sure how well I can do that. So maybe if I do that, hold it like that. Ooh, see, it creates that round. I think it also basically kind of like the same thing that I did on the last finger I worked on, which is creating swirls with the back side of this, or the round part of the magnet, which I think it's probably like the same thing if you can look at it like that. Maybe I should just try that again and then quickly cure it before the magnet starts moving. I think to some extent it kind of looks the same. I'm just gonna cure that and let's see. All right, on this nail I did do a Frenchie. I was trying to do a Frenchie with the gold one. I think I want to use these planets for stickers. I have a sun here. I think the sun would do good for this. I'm not really sure. Maybe I should stick it right there just to be random, you know. And then I think I want to go ahead and draw stars on some of the nails. Maybe I should like go ahead and add planet stickers and moon stickers and all of that on all of them, just cause. Is this the earth? Looks like the earth. And I think with these ones I'm just gonna add the planets where I created the round parts, dispersed parts, right? Oh, I think I should wipe that because I did touch that with my nail, with my hands, and my hands are moisturized, so maybe I should wipe that with sanitizer. I should have used gel finishing wipe maybe, I don't know, but we are here now. Let's just see. And I think that is sticking a little better. Well, not quite because it's lifting. Okay, what was I supposed to do? Okay, I hope that behaves. Okay, so here I have all the nails with the stickers. I was thinking I should use this milky white to just add some details, like galaxy details onto the nails. I am going to use this dotting tool just to see how much of that detail I can add to the nails. I really want that. I don't know if that is a good idea, but I think I'm just gonna add, I do want that milky white effect to show on the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to a couple of nails, and maybe I shouldn't be adding too much of that on the dotting tool, just so we can have that effect on them. And then once that is cured, I'm gonna take this white gel polish, very gross bottle. It's very, very dirty. Okay, I think I need to just clean that liner brush so that it's not stiff anymore. And I'm using a long one just because I want to use the tip of it. Like the short one is probably just too thick for what I'm going for. So I'm just going to use that to draw the stars that I want. I probably should be using a mixing plate, but anyway. I don't know. I don't think that is what I'm going for. Maybe I should use a shorter liner brush, right? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I am still using a long liner brush, but it's shorter than the one I was using before. And I don't know if I'm gonna get the effect that I want. Maybe I should use a little bit from a dotting tool just so I can spread that properly. Even though I do have that milky white at the bottom, I think this is exactly what I'm going for. Might not be perfect, but I think that's somewhat what I'm going for. Yeah, it might be too long of a star, but it really is okay. I think that's somewhat what I'm going for. So I'm going to cure that and do the same to the rest of the nails. Alright, so now all the nails are ready, but before I put them on, I thought let me just file off the shine of my nails because I just want to use regular glue and just glue them on my nails. So I'm just going to lightly file the shine of these nails. Alright, so I am done roughing those up. I am going to go ahead and use sanitizer to just wipe off the dust of these nails and see how I'm gonna put these on. Maybe I should just take these off the stands. Okay, so I have all these there. I'm just gonna check if I can actually fit these from side to side. My thumb is usually the problem. My thumb is really wide, so I don't really have a solution for that one. I'm only doing this because I just put these press-ons on my left hand on and I had a problem because I do have builder gel on. So I'm just trying to check if these fit. I did size up with these ones, unintentionally so though. When I say unintentionally so, I mean I did not know that I was gonna have a builder gel problem with these ones because I just put these ones on, which I did film for, and the video is already up. If you're interested to see, I will link it up in the cards. But anyway, so I'm gonna go in with the glue and I'm just gonna go on and put these on with the nail glue. I'm glad I actually sized these out a size bigger than my normal size because then I won't have a problem problem with these not fitting from sidewall to sidewall because of my builder gel, and I only have the builder gel on my fingers because I'm just trying to protect the top layer of my nails because I do my nails so much. And also when I do hit my nails and they lift, they do come off with a layer of my natural nails, so I'm just protecting my natural nails so that if that happens, then at least it can just come off with the layer of builder gel and not my natural nail. I'm tired of having thin nails, okay? Trying to be better. Okay, I do have those on, and before I put on top coats, I'm just going to use a very not so wet lint-free wipe just to wipe off the nails because I did not protect those with top coat, and my moisturized hands did leave some fingerprints on those nails, and I like how those are on there. I am going to use this shimmer top from Bling Girl. I don't use it much, so I thought I might as well, and it is purple, so I thought it's fitting, especially for this Galaxy nail set. It is a very thick top coat, so I'm gonna try and make sure that I get good use of this without leaving chunks of it on my nail. And by the way, the cat eye gel does not leave a inhibition layer, so it's not sticky. You can use it as a top layer, honestly, because it did not leave any sticky layer. Oops, I've got lint all over. I'm also just scared to put out this top coat on my mixing plate because I don't know if it's one of those that would just chunk up and cure once it's exposed to like cool air. Right, and there we have the nails on. I'm gonna go on and add this cuticle oil. I just spilled, by the way. I'm so clumsy, but it's okay. It's okay. This is one disadvantage of just having cuticle oil open on your desk while you're working, because I just put the same cuticle oil on my nails, my left hand. So I did tip it over, of course. But anyway, neither here nor there. Let me know what you think about these nails. Excuse the noises outside. There's no other time I really just want to film this outro right now. But I actually like these nails. What do you think about these nails? I also feel like that shimmery top coat, you can't even tell it's there because it is a purple shimmer and the nail is purple, or rather the nails are purple. So I like that. I really like that. It's a little too busy, but I like the idea. Let me know what you think about these nails. Also, if you're still watching, please leave a shooting star emoji in the comment section to let me know that you're still watching. I appreciate you for watching, and please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching once again. Bye.